again, and I saw this little setup that they have for Easter. It's just one little setup that they had a section in there right now, and so when I saw these candles, I decided to record a little bit for you guys. Here's the iced blueberry biscotti. I want this one so bad, and I want some of these other ones as well. Love every bunny, but I have to wait for a sale for these, at least $10 off, I'm thinking. And here's this little cute bunny plug-in for $12.50. Yes, and you guys know I am collecting these, this packaged right here, right? I still need to get that whipped coffee one, and hopefully in the next sale, I need to get, like I said, this blue one, the blueberry biscotti, and then I need to get the lemon cake pop as well. I think that would complete my collection. And we have the hand lotions, or hand creams, I should say, for Easter. And we have this cute little holder for the hand soaps with the bunny ears. That is so cute. And we have this visor clip for your car, the pineapple one. That's cute too. I've never used any of these, guys. How do you guys like these in your car? Let me know, because I need to try some. I've never tried any of these before. And they have a gift set area that is like $35 and under gift sets here. And I'm just showing you a little overview of the gift sets here. You guys have seen that Into the Night. It's $32.50. It has the fragrance mist, the cream. What else did it have? The hand cream, I think, and a body gel, I think. Yeah, I can see it still. And you see this one is $13.50, and this one is $14.50. The hand soap, this one had a sanitizer, and I can't put them back. And we have a Waikiki Beach coconut little gift set as well. I'm just showing you the back wall really quick, and that's it for the. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cynthia, and today we have my son Alex here again. You guys really enjoyed him in the video last time, so I thought we'd bring him back in for this haul. And first, I want to share what I'm wearing as my scent of the day. Also, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I am bringing lots of Bath & Body Works hauls here, reviews and store walkthroughs, as well as I always say I sprinkle in the makeup because that's another love of mine. And we have coconut pineapple is my scent of the day. I didn't get the spray for this, obviously, because there hasn't been a sale where I could add this yet. And I combined it with this fresh coconut colada. I think it goes well. I wasn't able, during SAS or semi-annual sale, I wasn't able to pick up the lotion to this or body cream or anything. So I mixed that with this, and I think it was good. I think it's good. And at night, for scent of the night, I'm going to use the coconut one. And again, I'm going to spray this on. I just feel like it should go good together. Now, Alex here, he didn't know, and I took it out of the collection because he doesn't look through my collection like Aiden. Aiden, we actually have like our little lotion and body creams collection in his room, and Aiden goes through it and looks to see what he's going to wear, but he doesn't. Whatever I put out, you know, in our room where he gets dressed and everything, that's what he wears. And I took this out for him since he mentioned it in the last video, the frosted coconut snowball.
I didn't even know we still had one. I thought we used all of it.
No, we have two. So this is not even, yeah. That's because he does, like I said, he doesn't look through it. So I took it out for him. He can go ahead and finish this one up, and then we still have another one. And then when the winter, when they come out again, which, you know, they seem to always bring this one out. I hope they do, because we do love it around here.
It's been out ever since we started going during the sales. So yeah.
Exactly. So then we'll just pick up some more. And that's that. Now, as far as haul, you guys, if you are all into Bath & Body Works like I am, you guys know about the sale. But if you don't know and you just somehow came upon this video, today Bath & Body Works has the single wick candles for $6.50. So I got a couple. I didn't get too many. I actually got 5, but 2 of them were exchanges. So I'm going to let you know I paid $21.01 is all that I paid. I saved $24 because I paid for 3 of them, and 2 of them I had like some other single wicks that I hadn't used. They were brand new, but I had extra of that. I was like, okay, let me exchange these 2 for some new ones, and that's what I did today. Let's go ahead and we're gonna have him judge this first one, and I want to see if he can tell me what it actually smells like. I want to do this one right here.
Oh, so am I not supposed to like look at the names or something?
No, you can.
Oh, I can.
Well, you're not gonna see the name. You guys see this one? It's the Somebody Loves You. Somebody Loves You. Many of you guys might know which one is the scent to this one, but he doesn't. You should be.
I've never smelled that before.
Really?
At least I don't remember it. No.
This is like your favorite one. It's the one.
Oh, is it the strawberry one?
It's the one that's in your room right now.
Why does it smell different to me now, though?
I don't know. Maybe because
it smells like lighter to me.
Well, yeah, and I think.
Is it like before you light it?
Yeah,
lighter
and not only that. Honestly, I think that when it's like cold sniffing it, it's not as strong. Either way, this is a really good one, and this is his favorite one. So I bought it for you.
The strawberry pound cake one is really good. The candle.
I have 2 more of these, the small ones, but they're already started, and I put those like in the hallway and things like that. But I bought it for him because it's your favorite one. I actually brought, if you guys see the candle back there, that's the strawberry pound cake. I actually brought it in here because I wanted it to smell like that when we started doing the video. And yeah, but that one goes in my room. That's where I've been burning it. That one's mine, so I'm gonna give you this one. Now let's do another one. This one I have never smelled myself. Look at, guys, I picked up Happy Easter. They're cute how they put them like this for Easter. I want to get there's a yellow one that says "You Crack Me Up." I can't remember if that's what it says. I'll try to see if I could post a picture of it while I'm doing this. When I edit. The Perfect Spring. And I didn't read the scent notes to that other one, but I don't see it on here either. I don't think they have the scent notes on these small ones. I know they told me apple. I think apple blossom. It smells a little floral.
Yeah, it's
and
flowery.
It has apple and like some kind of floral in it.
I don't know what it is, but it's definitely flowery. I can smell the flowers.
You can smell the flowers. It's some kind of a blossom and then apple blossom. I don't know. Oh, this smells so good. Really good. This smells so good. I think I'm gonna put that one in the bathroom or
just
in the
like
restroom.
Without burning it.
But I'm not gonna burn it yet. I'm gonna get rid of like the other ones we have, and then this one. I think I think I do want to use it more for Easter, like to put a couple of like Easter things up.
Yeah.
So this one smells really good, so I recommend this one. And then when they have some kind of sale, I'm gonna pick up the yellow one that they have, the yellow wax that says "You Crack Me Up." I think I don't know exactly what it says. But I'm going to pick that one up with the rewards when I put it in order. Hopefully they have a good sale soon, and then I can pick that up. Now I got this one, Passion Fruit and Banana Flower. These are the new ones that they brought out for spring, but these seem more summery. Doesn't seem as strong.
Yeah, it's lighter, but I don't know.
It's lighter. The hard time, like, I'm not pulling my mask down in the store.
This reminds me of one of those ones that we smelled, the lotions.
Yeah, because that's the name of it, Passion Fruit, yeah.
Oh, is it the same name as the other one? Or is it different?
You know what? Hold on. All right, guys, so I went ahead and went to go get the Bahamas body cream that we have. And, yeah, he was right. I mean, obviously the name says it, but he didn't pay attention.
Basically, yeah. Just if you like the Bahamas lotion, then you're going to like this candle.
It smells good. It just seems, I would say when we cold sniff, it seems lighter, but I'm wondering like once.
Just cold sniffing.
Cold sniffing, I think it's lighter.
Because like strawberry pound cake, after you've already used it for a bit, you can actually smell it, but it was lighter when I smelled it.
Yeah. But when we turn it on, it's really good though. Like I have a smaller one. I really love. Sorry, I have to bring it back out. I really love how they did the pink wax, and the other one is white. I wish they would have done the other one pink because pink is my favorite color. Hello, yeah. Look at another pink wax. But this one is called Mango Mai Tai. Cold sniff on this one, man. This is good.
You like it? Oh, that one's good. Yeah, that one's really good.
That one's good.
I can definitely smell the mango.
This one, as the cold sniff, it's a strong cold sniff, and I love it.
Yeah, I like it too.
I don't even want to wait to burn this one. Like, I want to put this one in the hallway already. Like, there's the hallway, like, going to my room. Oh, I
That one's
put
really
candles everywhere. Like I put candles in the bathroom, one in our hallway, my room, their rooms. When I can, more his because he's in his room all day. And then like in our kitchen and other living room, just everywhere. All right. And then this is the last one. And this one is because Sarah, I don't know if you watch or from Me, Sarah Star, she always mentions this one. Sun-drenched linen, and she said, and I think a lot of other people have mentioned this one, but I know it's you that you said it's one of your favorite ones, and that's why I got it, Sarah, because of you. And it smells so, I'm not gonna say it because I want to see what he says.
Yeah, it smells fresh.
I was gonna say that.
It smells like what is it, that little cloth you put in the dryer to dry your clothes with? It smells exactly like that.
That's what it is.
It smells
That's
good.
what everybody says.
Yeah, that's what everybody says?
Yep. He's good. He doesn't even watch these videos.
I don't even watch this stuff, but yeah.
He's like, unless it's gaming, he's not watching. Trust me. He doesn't even watch my videos. You only watched yours, was it? Or I didn't
even watch ours.
No, he hasn't watched ours, but he's watched his brother's. Did you watch it before we did our video or after?
We watched it right after.
Oh, after he did ours, he was like, I want to watch my brother's now. So yeah, he doesn't watch my videos. Oh, and this smells so good. Thank you so much for the referral on this one.
It smells exactly like that. I really like it.
I think that's another good one for the bathroom.
This is a good one.
I feel like it makes
this in the bathroom.
Yeah, like it's going to make it smell clean. So fresh and so clean. Oh, I'm so happy with this one. I could just keep cold sniffing this one. And the mango Mai Tai, but they're very different. Oh my goodness. I'm so in love. He was asking me today, what do I love more, like to buy? Is it candles or the lotions and body creams and all that? I love buying all of it. It all makes me happy, but there's something about candles that I just love more. And I would say now that I've started collecting, I have way more like body creams and like the body sprays and all that than the candles. But this I still love more. That is why I say that, like Bren and Tina Divilicious and all those people that collect a whole bunch of candles and they have it in their background. Oh, that would be a goal. All right, let's get into the unboxing. Let's hope and pray that nothing is broken. I kind of opened the ends so I can just like rip this apart. Everybody talks about how they put these papers that are worth nothing. They're just wasting paper for no reason. Let's see if they charged on here correctly. Yep. So now that I've noticed, the invoice never says the amount, the correct amount. It always says the total amount, and it's practically the shipping and handling that they just show you on here. So yeah, it just says $6.46 or something like that. That is not what I paid. That's just the shipping. So I have 2 candles. Let's pray and hope that they're not broken.
I've never done this type of unboxing. I didn't know they came like that. Yeah,
so this 2 candles, they were $14.50. It was when they had the $10 off. This was like really late at night, and I was like, man, I still want some online exclusives. So that's what you're going to get from here. And then I added this as one of my rewards. And we're going to have Alex here. I put this other lotion on, so you didn't put nothing on your hand, right?
No, I don't have anything.
So let's have him talk to you guys about what is his first impression on Magnolia Charm. This is an online exclusive, friends. So if you're looking for this in store, you're not going to find it unless maybe somebody returned it. Or I've heard that some test stores, unless you live by maybe a test store, or they're testing it out to have it in store. So what I'm guessing, or I'm assuming, is that maybe they're testing it out to see how it sells, to see if they're going to bring it into stores. This is a really good one, so I hope that they do. Here.
Oh, that one's good. Yeah.
He has smelled the fragrance mist on, because I have it on me, and you liked it because I asked you. I'm always asking my boys, like, what do you think about this? Like, I'll spray something on or put lotion on.
I don't know what it smells like. I just no, it smells good.
Yeah.
For me, I don't know how to describe things. I just know how to compare it to other things. So like for that one candle, I can compare it to the
lotion.
The candle that smells.
Oh, like the drenched linen? Yeah. The sun-drenched linen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It smells good, though.
It does?
Really good, yeah.
Let me see. Oh, my goodness.
You like it?
I'm going to wear this one tomorrow. Yeah.
It smells good.
It smells so, so good. Our dog's in here today because we didn't want him crying with the boys out there. I'll show him in a minute. Oh, my goodness. I'm so happy. We recommend. It's getting a lot of good reviews out here in the YouTube community, and it is for a good reason. I know a lot of you guys don't like florals, but I feel, and I've heard other people say now, that it's not that strong of a floral. So I would say try it out. And at the same time, you guys know you guys can exchange it or send it to me. No. Right? No. Anyways, I'm playing, but yeah, I love it. We love it. Now, let's see. We're going to open our first candle. You guys can see it has a little mark. It has a little mark and it bothers me.
Arlo wants attention.
Okay. I won't return or anything, but you guys see those scratches? That really bothers me. Because I'm keeping these right here. This one. I love the holographic. And I love the packaging on these candles. The reason I'm buying these is because I'm collecting the packaging to these. White lavender eucalyptus. And yeah, it kind of bugs me that it has scratches. But we're keeping it. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that one's good too. Mm-hmm.
The eucalyptus, that strong smell you smell, is that eucalyptus. Remember you just told me the eucalyptus mint that was out there?
That one smells like more fresh though. Because
it's like eucalyptus mint. Yeah. And this is white lavender and eucalyptus. Oh, I love it. This one, if you love eucalyptus and you know like eucalyptus mint or rain or all those other ones, and you guys like that smell with the eucalyptus, this is good and I recommend it. And I heard that it has a strong throw, like, so yes, this should be a good one. Hold on, I just have to keep smelling it.
Yeah, so this one is more like flowery compared to the eucalyptus mint. Like the eucalyptus mint, they're both pretty similar, but I'd say the other one is fresh, not lighter, just more fresh than this one.
I think he's pretty good at explaining. He's probably going to do a better job than I am. We're going to have to bring him into this channel all the time. All right, let's throw this away. Now, what do you guys think this one is? If I'm collecting the packaging. You guys see? Honeysuckle and freesia. We'll just throw it like Bonnie does. She does that. I like it. Oh, this pink is so pretty. This, like, I know the camera doesn't do it justice because I've been seeing this on other channels and like I can't see the light pink to this, and oh wow, they know I love pink.
Oh, that one's good too. Yeah.
These are good.
Everything we've gotten today is good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this one.
I made sure to pick some good ones. Plus, I was watching like the channels on this, and honestly, I'm not gonna lie. If these didn't smell good, I'm not gonna lie. I'm collecting it because of the packaging. But I'm just so happy that they do smell good, and that I am gonna be able to use it, and you know, just love it, love it, love it. It just brings so like. Using the candles here at home for me, it brings me so much joy and happiness. And with just the way the world is right now, like any little thing that you can do for yourself that is self-care and, you know, you're just taking care of yourself, I think it's good. Anything else you want to say?
I don't know. It's just good. Yeah.
All right. We're bringing our dog into the camera so you guys can see him.
Oh, he's a bit
That's why he's not out there barking, because today we brought him in. Hey. Say hi. Say hi to the people. Say hi to your subscribers.
Oh, he wants to go down.
Say hi to our subscribers. Arlo. Say hi. Arlo. Say hi to our subscribers. Hi, subscribers. Hi. Say mommy. He says, Mommy and Alex are my favorite. Yes, they're the nicest. We are. All right, friends. We just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you guys had fun with us today. And until the next one, let us know what you guys want us to record, what you want to see. And I'll see you again, my friends. Stay blessed. Bye.